So hi guys, welcome you in manual testing tutorial. So today we are going to understand the advantages and disadvantages of manual testing. To proceed further, like we will discuss later each and everything. So before that, we need to understand what is the advantages and disadvantages. So coming to advantages. So the advantages of manual testing is like it requires less time and expenses to begin productive manual testing. It seems that while any project starts, it takes a less time. While we going to automation, in the initial time it was a huge, like we need to create a framework and different things, but in manual testing it takes a less time. Second thing, manual testing can be used in both a small and big project. So manual testing is comfortable in any type of project, either it was a small or a big. Third, easily we can update our test cases according to project. Like suppose any project have a certain of changes, so we are easily able to update the test cases according to the project. Fourth, it is covered in limited cost. So when coming to the cost, this is the important thing we need to understand. In manual testing, the cost is less, means is not so much expensive like as an automation test engineer. So in manual testing, we can afford a limited cost. Fifth, easy to learn for a new people who are entered into testing, like some peoples, some candidates which are passed from the colleges, and when they join the organization, they can easily adaptable without any having prior experience in software. They can directly enter into testing. Sixth, manual testing of an application identifies most of the issues, including the look and feel issues of the application. So in manual testing, we can easily identify most of the issues directly, like look and feel, usability, like if some button is having too large, small, depending upon like some UI issues. So we can easily identify by look and feel. Six, it is well suited in the case we make some unplanned changes to the application if it is adaptable, as it is adaptable. So there may be a case like we need to change some functionality, like we have a login and we need to add a new feature like two-step authenticator app or two-step verification. So manual testing is very good to adapt that changes, unplanned changes, while in automation we need to write each and everything. So coming to disadvantages, running test manually is time consuming, as we all know that if the same test case is repeated again and again, it takes a lot of time, so it's maybe a weird sometimes. Second, load testing and performance testing is not possible. Yeah, in manual testing we can't perform load testing and performance. So for load testing and performance we need some tools like JMeter, Load Runner. Third, regression test cases performed using manual tests are time consuming. Yeah, as I told you earlier in the first point of that, it is sometimes like each and every test cases you need to test again and again after any updates or by some fixing of issues. So we need to execute again and again, so it's a time consuming. So this is the advantages or disadvantages of manual testing. So everything have some certain advantages and certain disadvantages. So it depends upon the project, what type of project. So what needs to be included, like automation is good or manual is good. So we need to check each and everything before going to start any testing. So thank you.